Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, still feel fairly confident of colder than normal weather this week through the weekend. Don't see any signs of spring, even some accumulating snow in the forecast. A lot to cover, so let's first start with Doppler radar. With partly cloudy skies, the atmosphere is dry. Not expecting any snow this evening, and when you wake up tomorrow morning, it will be dry. It's later tomorrow and especially tomorrow night. Meanwhile, satellite actually time-lapse from this afternoon showing mainly cloudy skies, a dry and cool day, certainly better than what we had yesterday with the snow and the rain. But the colder than normal temperatures right through the weekend, the drier air holding on for now, some wet snow in the forecast. Some accumulations are possible. You know, this time of year when we do forecast snow, you really have a better chance of the snow sticking to the pavement at night rather than the daytime, because even on a cloudy day this time of year, there is strong radiation coming through the cloud cover, and the pavement temperature tends to be very warm. So you can snow all day and it sticks readily on your lawn, but on the pavement it just melts and it's wet. That's the kind of situation we have coming up for later tomorrow afternoon. Bottom line, it sticks to the ground better tomorrow night. Downtown Providence, partly cloudy, 37 on a northwest breeze at 9. The humidity is still dry, so it's really hard to create any precipitation when you have dry air in place. Temperatures above freezing, mid and upper 30s, 34 in Smithfield, 37 in Providence. You can see the leading edge of some of that precipitation through upstate New York and Pennsylvania, but when we widen out the view, it extends all the way back through the Great Lakes and the northern plains. It's this little pipeline of moisture that'll be streaming through later tomorrow afternoon, especially tomorrow night into at least the first half of Thursday. So staying dry tonight. Temperature will drop off to the upper 20s by around 5 o'clock in the morning. No problems tomorrow morning. In fact, even a little partial sunshine at sunrise, but the trend will be for increasing clouds. Temperatures 30, 35. As we get into the afternoon, some wet snow and rain working in. Right now I'm thinking mid to late afternoon. Temperatures on the chilly side. We should be 50 this time of year, and we're forecasting only the upper 30s to around 40 for the afternoon high. The winds will be light out of the north at 5 to 10, looking at 38 in Coventry. Combination of some wet snow and some raindrops mixed in mid to late afternoon, upper 30s to near 40 in our northern suburbs, with similar conditions across southeastern Massachusetts. As we get into tomorrow night, the air gets colder, the snow sticks more readily on surfaces, and we'll start to see some accumulations later Wednesday night into early on Thursday morning. Thursday morning, waking up to at least some light snow and snow showers during the morning. Some of it may actually extend into the afternoon hours as the storm system intensifies offshore, but at the same time is pulling away. The early call on any potential accumulations, now this really wouldn't be realized until later tomorrow night towards daybreak Thursday, on the order of 1 to 3 inches of wet snow possible. Yes, hard to believe it was 73 last Friday. Here's the precipitation for later tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, the first half of Thursday. Chilly temperatures, sunshine but cold on Friday, high of only 39. The weekend is dry, but it's chilly, struggling to get to around 40 with nighttime temperatures in the mid-20s. So a colder than normal week. I guess the only good news here, if you don't like snow, is that its shelf life tends to be short this time of year. The sun is strong. It doesn't stay on the ground as long, obviously, as it would say in December and January. But yeah, potential is there for some minor accumulations by early Thursday morning, as Mike and Susan shake their heads. And are you happy about this?
This is not good news, Tony. This is just not good news.
Now look on the bright side. 90% of winter is behind us. So we've got this little bit to go, and then it's the Bahamas. No.
Hello, Miami. All right.